In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google Sheets from existing data. This is a great skill to have, whether you're managing data for work or handling personal projects. Let's dive right in and simplify this task. First things first, make sure you open your Google Sheets document where your existing data is located. If you're not there already, log into your Google account, head over to Google Sheets, and open the file you'll be working on. It's important to ensure that your data is organized correctly before converting it into a table. Typically, your headers should be in the first row. Once you have your sheet open and ready, the next step is to highlight the cells containing the data you want to turn into a table. To do this, simply click on the first cell of the data and drag your cursor to highlight all the necessary cells. This helps Google Sheets understand exactly which part of your data you want to include in your table. Next, with your data highlighted, you'll want to perform a quick right-click with your mouse. This is a simple process. All you have to do is place your cursor over any of the selected cells and click the right mouse button. You'll see a menu that pops up, giving you several options related to formatting and managing your data. In this menu, look for the option that says Convert to Table. It might not always be the most obvious choice at first glance, so take a moment to scan through your available menu items. Clicking on Convert to Table signals to Google Sheets that you want to create a structured table format out of the highlighted data. And voila, you have officially created a table. This newly formatted table allows for easier sorting, filtering, and data analysis. It's a fairly straightforward process that greatly enhances the functionality and aesthetics of your spreadsheet. Remember, organizing data into tables can make complex information much clearer and more understandable. It's also a time saver when it comes to analyzing data, making changes, or presenting information in an easily digestible format. With this method, not only do you ensure accuracy, but you also gain the efficiency that Google Sheets offers. Feel free to practice this process a few times until you feel comfortable with each step. The more you practice, the quicker and easier it will become, saving you a lot of time and effort in future projects. Thanks for joining me today, and happy table making with Google Sheets.